November. That was important for a couple of reasons. The first of which is water temperature. The water in Lake Lure typically ranges between the low 40s in the winter and the low 70s near the beach in the summer. When they filmed the lift scene, it was filmed straight to the left. There used to be a white sand beach out there when the camp was in operation. The two actors had been in the water so long they were on the verge of hypothermia. The director wanted to reshoot the scene and both actors refused to do it. Now the other thing is that the grass had already browned, the leaves had already changed color, and the studios in the 80s didn't have the ability to change it back with a computer the way they can today. So every morning the director would send people out to spray the grass and the leaves with green food coloring to make it look like it was still summer. Now a couple of other things about Dirty Dancing. Patrick Swayze and Jennifer Grey couldn't stand each other. They had filmed Red Dawn together a year or two before, and they developed an intense dislike for one another, and that carried over into filming of Dirty Dancing. The other thing is that Jennifer Grey couldn't dance when they hired her to do the movie, and they had to first teach her to dance and then train her to do the dances that she performed in that film. This place on the right burns like